Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a layer in Kinemaster. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a project, and after that press on a layer. You can just press on replace now, and you can just replace it with any layer that you can find here. You can select, for example, this one, which is basically the project, but to illustrate the example, I just replace that layer with that project basically. And now that's going to be a separate layer within the project in this case, but you can replace it with any other layer that you might have. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.